Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to start at the very beginning and talk about the basics of cryptocurrencies. If you're new to this topic, don't worry, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Before I start, I want to clarify that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. So, what are cryptocurrencies? Simply put, they're digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography to secure and verify transactions. Unlike traditional currencies, such as the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on a peer-to-peer network. This means that there is no central authority or government controlling the flow of cryptocurrencies. Instead, transactions are verified and recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain, which is maintained by a network of computers around the world. One of the main benefits of cryptocurrencies is that they offer users greater privacy and security than traditional financial systems. Transactions are encrypted and anonymous, making it difficult for hackers or third parties to intercept or steal funds. Another benefit of cryptocurrencies is that they allow for faster and cheaper transactions, especially for cross-border payments. Traditional financial systems can take days or even weeks to process international transfers, while cryptocurrencies can be sent and received almost instantly with minimal transaction fees. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new and volatile asset class. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, and there is a risk of losing money if you invest in them without understanding the risks involved. Additionally, there are different types of cryptocurrencies, some of which operate on a centralized system, similar to traditional financial institutions. These centralized cryptocurrencies are often issued and controlled by a single entity, which can raise concerns about security and transparency. So, in summary, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that operate on a decentralized network and use cryptography to secure and verify transactions. They offer greater privacy and security than traditional financial systems, but also come with risks and potential drawbacks. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.